Parrot Jumping Sumo is a compact, two-wheeled mini-drone designed for ground-based exploration and entertainment. Unlike traditional flying drones, it operates on land, offering users a unique combination of agility, acrobatics, and interactive features. Parrot Jumping Sumo can perform preset animations and acrobatic moves like spins and flips with a single tap. Wheels can switch between extended and compact configurations. Parrot Jumping Sumo comes with a high-quality build. It has a rugged design with shock-absorbent features to withstand jumps and bumps. It offers a strong and responsive Wi-Fi signal for real-time control and streaming up to 50 meters. Parrot Jumping Sumo presents an engaging and interactive experience for users of all ages. Its ability to perform jumps and stunts, combined with real-time video streaming, makes it a fun gadget for indoor and outdoor play. However, it's best suited for smooth surfaces, as its foam wheels may struggle on uneven terrains like grass.